Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about TV wall decorations. I will be sharing some tips on how to choose the right decorations for your TV wall as well as some ideas for specific decorations that you can use. So whether you are just starting to decorate your TV wall or just you are looking for some new ideas, I hope you found this video helpful. When choosing decorations for your TV wall, there are few things you will want to keep in mind. First, think about the style of your home. If you have a modern home, you might want to choose sleek, minimalist decorations. If you have a modern, traditional home, you might want to choose more ornate decorations. Second, consider the size of your TV. If you have a large TV, you will need to choose decorations that are big enough to be seen. If you have a smaller TV, you can get away with smaller decorations. Finally, think about the colors in your room. Choose decorations that complement the color in your room. You don't want the decorations to clash with the rest of your decor. Now that you know what to look for when choosing decorations for your TV wall, here are few ideas for specific decorations that you can use. Artwork, mirrors, shelves and plants. Artwork is a great way to add color and interest to your TV wall. You can choose paintings, photographs or even sculptures. Mirrors can help to make your room feel larger. Mirrors can help to make your room feel larger and brighter. They can also reflect light, which can help to improve the viewing experience for your TV. Shelves. Shelves are a great way to display books, photos, or other items. They can also be used to store remote controls, gaming consoles, and other devices. Plants. Plants can add life and color to your TV wall. This can also help to improve the air quality in your home. These are just few ideas for your TV wall decoration. With a little creativity, you can come up with your own unique and stylish decoration. So get creative and have fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your own ideas for TV wall decorations.